First, we're going to add our M&Ms. These are the nut brownie mix. Next, we're going to grab some confetti mix. This is the cake mix. It's a delicious mix. You can use whichever one you like, but I personally like the confetti one. We're just gonna put some over M&Ms, just like so. Yeah, just like that. Put some of them. I'm gonna cover M&Ms up with this mix. I use about half a bag of this confetti mix. Now I'm gonna spread it out just like so. Here I have 2 cups of water. I'm going to add a little bit at a time, see how much we need. There I added about 1 cup. Let's give it a nice mix.
It's very interesting.
Yeah, it's gonna come out so good. Just gotta give it a nice mix, get a nice consistency. It should look like a little like pancake consistency.
Okay.
Just gotta dip it in there, just like so. My kids love this dessert. Such a good dessert. You know, you can have it like with ice cream. You can have it by itself. It's just delicious. It's very colorful too, so kids love colorful stuff. So we give this a nice mix, just like that. Okay, you know what? I'm going to add a little bit more of this confetti mix. So let's just add probably about, I would say what, like an additional 3 tablespoons, something like that. Now we're gonna mix it up. You see the consistency, how it starts thickening?
Yeah, that's what we're looking for.
Yeah, and it's all rainbowy. That's what you want to do. You want to make it rainbowy. That's why I like the confetti one, because it complements the rainbow of the M&Ms.
Oh, that's true.
And who doesn't like colorful meals? They're just delicious and very fun. So we just mix it out like that. Keep mixing it up. See, it's kind of like pancake consistency.
Yeah, a little thicker.
Nice and hard, yeah. That's the consistency you want to aim for. Now that everything is nice and mixed, we're just gonna spread it evenly through our pan, just like this. We want to make sure everything is nice and flat, just like so. All right, let's keep working on there.
It looks like a giant cookie, like, you know those chocolate chip cookies, ones with the M&Ms?
Yeah, that's pretty much what it's gonna look like when it's made.
No way, I love those.
You just gave the surprise away.
Oh man, my bad.
Now I'm gonna add some more M&Ms on top of it, just like that. Give it a little extra pop. Remember, this is the brownie mix M&Ms. They're just delicious. All right, now that we have everything on there, our next step is we're gonna add some sprinkles. Let's open this up. Let's throw some rainbow sprinkles. Just like that. You see how pretty?
It looks beautiful.
There you go. You keep throwing them there as much as you like. You can decorate it for whatever occasion. If it's Halloween, you can use orange and yellow. For Easter, you can use other pastel colors. But my son really loves the rainbow sprinkles, so we're gonna go with that one for him. And there you go. And our oven is preheating at 250 degrees. We're gonna put this there for about 35 minutes, and then we'll come back and check on it.
Yay.
And while our cake is being baked, we're going to use some of this decoration icing to decorate our cake. You just gotta get it on there. Let's get it out of there just like that. We're just gonna make a thick line, just like that.
And what are you putting this on, like saran wrap?
Don't ask me what I'm putting it on. I'm not done yet.
I'm at like this thing that you have on the bottom.
Don't ask me that. You're giving away all the secret.
I'm just asking what it is.
If it's a cookie, of course it's a cookie. They're not supposed to know right now.
Oh my gosh.
All right, so there you go. There we have the blue one. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the green icing. Just like that, we're gonna do the same thing. Just make a thick line, just like this. All right, now we have our red one. Let's put our red icing. And you can use any color you guys like, but I like these 3 colors, so this is the one I'm gonna go with. Just like that. All right, that seems to be good. Now, we're going to go ahead and fold this to the side, just like this. See how that starts to look?
Oh,
Make
yeah.
a little round ball. It's like making like kind of like sushi. You're gonna make sushi with this icing. Put it on there just like this. This is the best way. Of course, if you want to spend the extra money, you can buy it already made, but I like to be crafty, just to give it a little bit more effort. Just keep turning it, like that. Now that it's fully turned, we're gonna spin this one this way, spin the other one the other way, just like that. All right. Now we have our icing ready. All right. And our giant cookie is already done. Look at that, cool.
Wow,
How
looks
good
good.
it is. Now I'm going to use our little mixture to decorate it just a little.
Oh wow,
Look at that.
that looks beautiful.
Just gonna decorate it evenly. You see how all those colors are nice and combined?
Yeah.
Just like that. Get some in there. You're gonna spin it. That way you get all the mixture to the front, to the bottom. You see how the bottom gets up?
That's so cool,
So
yeah.
you start turning it. As you turn it, it will come right out. You don't have to force it.
That's great because like those are kind of expensive to buy.
Yeah, they are. It's just unnecessary, but if you have the extra time, I would suggest you do it yourself.
That's awesome.
Now we're gonna make a bigger one here in the middle, so we can use all of our frosting.
This looks just like Toll House Cookies. You know that place that sells the cookie cakes?
Yeah, it's actually where I got the idea from.
Wow. It's
Put
wonderful.
a big one in the middle. And there you have it. Now let's give it a cut and give it a taste. So we're gonna use this pizza roller, just like that. Yeah.
It's a big slice.
Yeah, it's gonna give it a nice little bite. Ooh. All right, let's put our knives here aside. Let's get it out of there. No, it doesn't come out. Okay. All right, now let's get in there with our spatula. It's a little moist still. I just got it out of the oven. You gotta let it sit, but I got no timer now. So
Wow.
there you have it. That's how it's gonna look. Let's give it a
Yum.
little taste. It is so good. You guys gotta give it a try.